welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro hardtop. Of course, you know it's the first year of the first generation, loved by a lot and loved by all, especially me right now wishing I could have another one of these fine little automobiles. But even so, going into the one we have here featuring that beautiful maroon exterior, or burgundy the way you see it, featuring not only the SS Black Super Sport stripes coming from the front to the back, but also you will see it does feature the 2-inch cowl induction hood. Even so, you will see it is an RS Hideaway headlight edition, and even so you can tell by the front and rear taillights. Does have the spoiler, does have some upgraded American Racing Torque style wheels, and even so, the only year to have vent windows was 1967. But even so, we have the single round mirror on the driver's side. We look on the inside featuring the 4-speed manual transmission, the appropriate style console. Even so, you will see we have the RS style gauges, followed by the speedometer and built-in tachometer to the passenger side right here, where there's a lot of standard models this would be a gas gauge. But even so, as we look at it, we have the deluxe interior door panels, standardized bucket seats, black with the white striping. Even in the back, you will see we have the matching pattern, followed by the dome lights on both of the rear sail panels. But looking at it right now, we're driving at a steady little altitude here. Even so, you will see we have a nice little 2-knob radio with built-in cassette, probably a late 90s, early 2000s model, which is very nice to have. Even so, a lot of people don't like to just see originality, but I like to see some of the modifications that have been done over the years. But as we look at the engine bay featuring the small block Chevy motor, as you can see, it does have a little bit of pick-me-up to it with the valve covers and the exhaust. Going to the back, it does have the dual exhaust system. Very nice for a subframe automobile. Even cruising at it right now, you can see it is handling very well. No shakes, no errors. Even the clutch is shifting pretty good. No real whines or gears or any of the bad noise you can see. But as we make to a brake test, you will see that we do have the front wheel disc and rear drum. But as for now, though, we are just going to get it turned around up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, please stay tuned with us to see the underneath.